Today, 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Scary, right? You're grinding 9 to 5, but have zero savings. Loans pile up, dreams die. But did you know? The system is designed to keep you trapped unless you play the real money game. I'm about to reveal the 3 secrets that crush poverty. These aren't taught in MBA colleges. Influencers won't tell you. But today, they're free. Warning, after this video, you'll never see money the same way. Let's begin. Secret number 1. Your brain is your biggest enemy. When you're broke, you get stuck in a scarcity mindset. I can't do this. I can't afford that. But listen, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, they started with nothing. What did they do? They rewired their brains. Break the poverty loop. Stop saying, I can't afford it. Say, not today, but one day I will. Visualize like a pro. Spend 5 minutes daily imagining exactly how you'll earn. Your brain will unlock paths you never saw. Action over, perfect timing. Fear will come, but learn to jump. Mindset prepares you. But this is just step 1. The next secret will show you a golden egg-laying machine. But it's shocking. Secret number 2. Skills greater than degrees. Bill Gates says, skills are the new currency. But what's the problem? People waste time and money. I'll teach you for free. Leverage free gold mines, YouTube, Coursera, ChatGPT. 30 minutes daily equals $100 per hour skill in 6 months. Niche down, blow up. Learning, video editing. Learn yoga video editing for fitness influencers. Sell before you're ready. Tell clients, I'll do your first project at 50% off. Build experience and earn. Now you have the skill. But to start the money flow, you need a dangerous move. The third secret, 95% of people never try this. Secret number 3, money equals volume times precision. Instagram makes it look like people get rich overnight. Truth? They ran 1,000 experiments, 999 failed. You just need one to work. The 100x rule. 1 LinkedIn post, 100 posts, 100 reels, 100 cold DMs, 1 will hit. The power of consistency. No results for 6 months? Keep going. Reinvest. Like a shark. Made your first $1,000? Spend it on courses, darn ads, not an iPhone 15. If you follow these 3 secrets, what happens in 2 years? Imagine. Bank balance, freedom, your family smiles. But one question, can you wait that long? Today's game plan is clear. Mindset, skill, hustle. But a final truth, don't walk this path alone. Join me. Get videos like this weekly. Smash subscribe and hit the bell. Because until you make your first $10,000, I won't stop.